Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Netflix error code E100. Alright, let's begin. Start by opening your phone's settings. In the search bar, type iPhone storage and tap on it. From there, sort the apps by name and scroll down to find Netflix. Tap on the Netflix app, then select Offload app. Once offloaded, reinstall the app. If that does not solve the issue, try switching your internet connection. If you are currently using mobile data, switch to a Wi-Fi network. If you are using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data instead. This can help fix streaming issues caused by unstable or slow networks. Another potential fix is to make sure you do not have multiple Netflix tabs or sessions open. If you're using a computer, close all other Netflix tabs. If you're logged in on multiple devices, try logging out from the others and refreshing the current session. So that's basically how you can fix Netflix error code E100. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.